Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us mini crewmate Christmas. He's going to have a Christmas tree on his head, so a Christmas tree hat. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so follow along and you will be able to do this, alright? I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. That's pretty much it. Before that, let's get started, okay? Before that, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like this kind of stuff. If you like learning how to draw stuff within 10-minute formats or 8-minute formats, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification so that it lets you know. I post 3 times a day on weekdays, so alright, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to throw a circle for the front of the crewmate's visor. So it's going to have a circle here. And you can draw it in pieces if you have issues with it. Right, you can draw like pieces of a circle if you can't pull one long stroke like over the whole to make a circle, and it just has to be circle-like. That's not a perfect circle, it's like a little edge over here, but just kind of make it close enough to a circle. Curve over here, line down, pull down here, out, down, in, at an angle down here, curve, up. See how quick that's forming already? Like really quick, right? You have him sitting down, him chilling out, sitting back, and I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go over here, pull out over here, pull up, curve over here, and I might thicken the line here a little bit. Alrighty, cool. And let's go over here and like I said, I'm gonna draw the hat here. So I'm gonna draw a log sticking out his head, and I'm gonna fill that in dark. The log's gonna be dark. I'm gonna go over here. Boom, boom, boom. Right here at the bottom of the tree. And I'm gonna go up at an angle, circle, over here, and over here, circle, 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 circle. Right, for that tree, right? You can draw like the circles anywhere you want, and it doesn't really matter as far as the number of them as well. So let's draw like a thicker line around the border. Curve over here, down, out, curve over here, in. Just kind of, again, just drawing a thicker line around the border, because what that does is it kind of contains the shapes better, and so I think that's a great way to go about it. Let's jump in and give it a little bit of color here. I'm gonna go over here with I'll go with a red here, just picking some of these. And then I'm gonna go, well, you know what, I'm gonna use a red for him as well. As far as markers or crayons or anything, you can use anything you want. I actually prefer colored pencil. I just kind of like using this because it is good for demonstrating. Like this marker, I'm using a Copic marker. And you guys know, like, I don't normally like using markers because of the smell, but just do it in an area where, you know, like it'll kind of like dissipate in the air, you know, so you're not breathing it in like full blown. Gonna go over here. I'm gonna put some with this Copic, obviously right here, the green for the tree. Right here. There you go. Alrighty. Let's go over here for the blue. Well, I gotta get like a lighter blue, I think. Yeah, like a really light blue. And I'm gonna go over here along the actually, that's a gray, but I'm gonna go over here for the reflection. Alright, and then I'm gonna go with a... Actually, that should have been a light blue, honestly. I'm gonna put that over. There you go, like a light blue over that. I'm gonna go over here, put the blues over here for the rest of like the Christmas, the Christmas lights. But that's it. I want to thank you very much here for you know, sticking around. Christmas time is here. I'm gonna throw a lot more Christmas drawings. I want you to do a couple of things for me. Number one, I want you to let me know in the comments what else you want to see as far as Christmas drawing goes. Like, what are some suggestions that you think would be good for the channel? And also, I want you to let me know just in general what else you'd like to see. But if you like that, hit the like button and click the bell notification when you do that. That lets people know, you know, well, basically helps the algorithm out, but it also lets me know what else to put on the channel. And also, don't forget, I have full entire courses on Skillshare if you want to improve your drawing overall, on, you know, how to draw anatomy, how to draw perspective, how to draw all kinds of stuff. All that stuff's on my Skillshare, so go take a look at that when you can. That will help a lot. You know, that is pretty much the end of it. I want to thank you so much, and I want to thank you. Everybody's super nice. I want to say Merry Christmas, and yeah, I'll see you either tomorrow or later on in the afternoon. All right, I'll see you soon, and that is it. Talk to you later, and yeah, stay positive. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.